Here in this video, we will show you how to enable sender mail ID verification for mails received into your mail ID. If you would like to enable sender mail ID verification in cPanel, then in that case, first of all, we need to understand that whenever a person sends an email, there is a box wrapper which comes in between. And if the mail is verified, then the email is sent to inbox. If not verified, then in that case email will be sent to spam. This is the main work of box wrapper. Box wrapper decides whether the email should be sent to inbox or to spam. So now for that, log into your cPanel and then go to box wrapper, which is given under email section. Now from here, just click over manage in front of a particular email ID. Now from here, you can enable box wrapper. You will get a success message that box wrapper has been enabled on your account. Now you can also click over configure settings to specify various other settings. Now from here, you can specify your name and other details like number of days for which you would like to keep your logs and messages in the queue, and also minimum Apache Spam Assassin spam score. If you specify a spam score over here, this spam score will be required at minimum level to get the email into inbox. Finally, click over save. Now all your configuration settings are now saved. Again, go back to the same screen and then click over Edit Confirmation Messages. From this section, you can customize the responses that email sender receives. You can edit the template and configure them accordingly. Now, edit whitelist or blacklist allows you to deny, permit, or ignore email messages from certain accounts. Click over it and then from here, you can edit whitelist or blacklist. You can check the examples to understand how to specify things over here. If you specify the concepts through which those emails will always be whitelisted, then in that case such emails will always come to your inbox directly. Once you're done with the settings, click over Save. Now in this way you can also configure your forward list. This list will allow you to forward the emails that passed through box wrapper authentication to another address. In the same way, you can also check review log. This is an overall log file which states all the details about your activities related to box wrapper. This will also show all the message logs which are passed through box wrapper. Now again go back and then click over Review Queue. This review queue section is made to view any box wrapper email waiting for verification. If an email is waiting for verification, you can simply approve that email or reject it accordingly. You can also whitelist that email and then deliver. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you are looking for a reliable web hosting service with all such awesome features, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.